I don't know, something is wrong with the cloud. I'm at JB. I don't know why suddenly so many things happening at JB. Few months ago there is a cloud turned to purple color, but this time the cloud is kind of like a flickering. It's like a blinks. Can you see that? It's blink to the orange color. I didn't see any huge flame there, because if there is a flame means of course புகை இருக்கும். So புகையும் இல்லை ஒன்றும் இல்லை:pugayum illai onnum illai. So it's kind of weird though, and definitely it's not a sunset because already at the night time, and I don't think so the light come through from the moon, because I completely unable to see the moon because it's kind of like a rainy weather out there. So I don't know what is going on. What do you think about it?